Everybody wants to buy a new iPhone, but the biggest problem that people face is in terms of the price tag. The price tag of iPhones is simply too much, and hence a normal consumer cannot consider buying this smartphone. But whenever the question comes about older iPhones, and if you're talking about iPhone under 10,000 rupees, there is only one iPhone, and that is the iPhone SE. iPhone SE is available for under 10,000 rupees for the 32GB model. So guys, anybody will easily get this question, and that is, should we buy this iPhone? So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you my frank opinion that should you consider this smartphone. I personally have been using this iPhone for past 3 years. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the honest thoughts regarding it. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and from smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, this iPhone SE was launched in the month of March in 2016. In 2015, Apple launched the iPhone 6s, which was a great smartphone in terms of the processor and all over performance. But everybody wanted to buy an iPhone for the least price possible, and guys, Apple got an idea and they took the old design from the iPhone 5s and added the new internals and also the new back camera. So guys, this smartphone, believe me or not, was one of the most selling smartphones of all time. Guys, couple of years ago the iPhone XR was certainly the best selling iPhone, but the iPhone SE was no exception. The iPhone SE was simply the iPhone to go for. Till 2019 the iPhone SE was selling, but in the starting period of 2019 Apple removed the production of this iPhone. So guys, the best thing that I like about this iPhone is the overall design. This is a very small iPhone, this is a 4-inch iPhone, but still it is having one of the best processors out there. This is certainly not the latest processor, but still after a couple of years even this iPhone is performing really good. You can accept a decent performance, and if you're a heavy gamer, still you will find a good performance with this chipset. So guys, now let me come to the performance department. This iPhone has Apple's A9 chipset, which is a great chipset overall. The A9 chipset brought new changes, and guys, this is certainly one of the best chipset made by Apple, because in the iPhone 6s and the iPhone SE, after so many years, this iPhone still supports the latest iOS version. The current iOS 13 is supported in this iPhone, and it is also expected that the upcoming iOS 14 will also be supported with this iPhone and with the iPhone 6s. So guys, we are living in an era where every single smartphone has minimum 2 cameras at the back, and we are talking about 48, 64 and 108 megapixel main camera. We are talking about 100x zoom, and this smartphone only has a 12 megapixel single camera. Well guys, you will easily think that the photo quality will be not too good, but guys, this smartphone takes beautiful photos even with a 12 megapixel camera. It doesn't have the ultra wide angle lens or the telephoto lens, but still with the help of one single camera, you are getting incredible shots. Again, you are not getting functionalities like the portrait mode, but you will hardly use that. And if you want to use portrait mode in any older iPhone, you can download lots of apps. There are lots of apps on Apple's App Store from which you can get a good application for the portrait mode. And guys, I am personally blown away with the video recording skill of this iPhone. As a YouTuber, I have to record lots of videos, and earlier in the initial period of my channel, I have shot all of the videos on this iPhone without any microphone. So guys, this iPhone has seriously given me incredible photos and videos. It is only a 32GB iPhone, but still it is performing really good. So guys, in simple words, my answer will be yes. This iPhone does hold in 2020. It will get software support for 1 year more, and overall it is a good smartphone. But before buying any used iPhone, make sure that you check the battery health, because there are so many iPhones suffering from battery drain issue. So before purchasing your brand new or a used iPhone, make sure that you check the battery health in the settings application. So guys, overall there is no problem with this iPhone, and you can get it without any problem. So guys, if you are looking for a secondary smartphone and if you want to try the iOS experience, then my answer will be yes. Buy this iPhone SE as a secondary smartphone, but if you are planning to get it as a primary smartphone, then my answer will be no. And guys, now comes the question, and that is, from where can we buy it? Well guys, if you are living in India, then make sure that you search on Google for the Sell Buddy official website, or else if not that, then you can search on eBay. If you are living in United States or anywhere, you can search on eBay for a trusted seller. And guys, I just wanted to tell you in today's video that the iPhone SE is a good smartphone in terms of design, in terms of processing, and overall it is a great smartphone. It might not compete with the current iPhones or with the current smartphones, but you can easily get this smartphone as a secondary smartphone. So guys, I hope that you have liked this small video, and guys, we want to complete 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and it can only happen with your support. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.